Myself Deepika Kohli. I'm a senior nutritionist working with British Biologicals. I started my career with All India Institute of Medical Sciences in a WHO project. After that, I was working with chief dietitian as in Jeevan Anmol Hospital, then with Pfizer as diabetes educator, then with Abbott as a nutrition advisor. Presently, I'm dealing with all therapeutic diets like diabetic diets at LifeCare and Jeevan Anmol Hospital as well. Today I'll be talking about diabetes. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic metabolic disorder in which a person is not able to utilize glucose completely. It's of two types: type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes totally insulin dependent. Type 2 diabetes, which is found in middle-aged and elderly persons, it is non-insulin dependent. What are the causes of diabetes? Causes can be genetic, can be due to sedentary lifestyle, and due to some increased weight, obesity. So these can be managed through diet, drugs, education, and exercise. So I'll be telling you dietary management of diabetes. A person who is diabetic should restrict their calories. If a patient is overweight, then I suggest them 20 kilocalories per kg body weight is this calories they have to take. And if the patient is underweight, then 40 kg per kg body weight calories. And if the person is on ideal body weight, then 25 kilocalorie body weight is the calorie requirement for that patient. And protein should be 15 to 20% of total calories. And fat, 25 to 30 grams of total calories should come from fat. But the fiber is very important for a diabetic patient. Like fiber is a thing which gives satiety feeling to the patient's diet, and along with that it passes undigested from a small intestine to large intestine, because a diabetic patient feels very hungry during the day. So if we are giving a small amount of salads, vegetables, or thick vegetable soup along with fiber, so the patient will be satiated and will not feel hungry. For consultation with me, you can fix an appointment on Librate, online and offline as well.